things changed so quickly. It was almost overnight that we found that there were an incredible number of people in need in our community. We know before COVID struck that 40% of all Americans had less than $400 worth of savings as disposable income, as their rainy day fund. And it doesn't take long into a pandemic like this for that money to evaporate on rent, medical bills, and food. And so we saw an immediate uptick in the need in our community. Early on in the pandemic, the county reached out to the food bank looking for a partnership to help provide supplemental food due to the increase in people in need of supplemental food due to what's happening in the economy, as well as the shelter and home place requirements for seniors and the medically vulnerable. So the food bank not only provided us some supplemental funds to be able to purchase excess food, but if you look around our warehouse, you'll see that a lot of the people that are working here are county disaster service workers. So they're people that worked for the county and their jobs for whatever reason have been put on pause because of the public health emergency. And so we're blessed to have county workers reassigned here as disaster service workers helping us during this peak activity. We anticipate that it won't be weeks or months before we come back to a new normal, that it'll likely be years before our community recovers. And so we're planning for that long haul. And we know that in a couple of months, the headlines are going to change and we'll be talking about elections or we'll be talking about the next disaster. But we know that many thousands of San Luis Obispo County residents are going to continue to suffer the effects of this pandemic financially and emotionally for a long, long time.